Why is Mother Nature such a stone-cold bitch? She zooms by on her broom like she's an angry witch. She'll surely spit on you if you're down in a ditch. It's like you're watching the Matrix when you see a glitch. Like taking one for the team with 100-mile-an-hour pitch. Like trying to tow the Titanic with your trailer hitch. Well, you should have paid your carbon tax, but you got lax to the max and it fell into the cracks. You slowed down the power grid when you should have kept your bolts hid. You fish the oceans bare and you don't seem to care. I think I'm starting to become aware about why Mother Nature is such a cruel, cold bitch. Poseidon or Neptune's spawn? And how many legs does this bitch stand on? Well, is she Ulysses or maybe a miss? I just hope on her grave that I get to piss. Oh, sometimes Mother Nature's just a stone cold bitch. But if you bet against her, you're never gonna get rich. Tornadoes, hurricanes, tsunamis, kids crying out for their mommies, cyclones, earthquakes, and 100-year flood, sands, rocks, water, mud, volcanoes, landslides, and sinkholes. It seems like total destruction is one of Mother Nature's goals. I wish Mother Nature and I could switch roles. Because everywhere you'd look there'd be a waterfall going right through the middle of an outdoor mall, where a doe-eyed deer could drink straight from the brook. As I looked through the window, well, I bought a book. But those days are gone, 'cause the earth's gone bad. There's climate change gone, a greenhouse fad. You gotta wait till dawn before you leave your pad to try to mow your lawn. The sun is way too rad. Ow! Sometimes Mother Nature is just a stone cold bitch. Zooms by on her like she's an angry witch. She'll sure spit on you down a ditch. Like you're watching the Matrix when you see a glitch. Like taking one for the team with 100-mile-an-hour pitch. Like towing the Titanic with your trailer hitch. Sometimes Mother Nature is a cruel, cold bitch. But it's a nice day today, so go outside.